Everyone is talking about scalp massages for improved hair growth. It's one of those things that we just intuitively understand improves hair health. But what's actually the best way to perform scalp massages and get maximum results with minimal effort? So in this video, I'll share the scientifically backed way to grow the most hair from scalp massages. Okay, let's get started. So to understand why scalp massages are so important when it comes to hair loss, we need a quick background in the theory of hair loss. Underneath our scalp lies the galea aponeurotica, a layer of connective tissue linking muscles at the front and back of the head. The galea is what enables movements like raising our eyebrows or wrinkling our forehead. Interestingly, male pattern baldness is confined to areas of the scalp overlaying the galea, while the sides and back of the head, areas not above the galea, remain unaffected by hair loss. This is a very suggestive piece of evidence regarding the link between the galea and baldness, but things get even more interesting. A mathematical model of the galea's chronic tension caused by its connection to the head muscles revealed a striking pattern. The higher the tension in a specific area overlaying the galea, the more likely it is to go bald. So areas with the greatest tension bald first, followed by regions with intermediate tension, while those low tension areas are least affected, like the sides and back of the head. So the statistical chance of this being a coincidence is less than 1 in 1,000. Doctors and hair loss patients themselves have also observed that balding scalps tend to feel unusually tight, a finding recently supported by a scientific study out of Taiwan. And this chronic tension is important as it appears to trigger a cascade of downstream issues for your hair. See, chronic tightness can lead to low-level inflammation visible under a microscope in the follicles of the balding areas. This micro-inflammation often accompanies collagen accumulation around the hair follicles. And over time, this collagen hardens into microscopic scar tissue, filling the space of the miniaturized hair follicles and rendering hair loss almost irreversible. And another consequence of the chronic tension is reduced blood flow into the balding areas. We know from studies that balding scalps actually exhibit 2.6 times less blood flow compared to perfectly healthy ones, particularly in high tension areas prone to hair loss. This blood flow deficit is almost certainly linked to the changes in the scalp tissue that we were just discussing. So in summary, chronic tension in the galea not only correlates with male pattern baldness, but also contributes to inflammation, scar tissue formation, and diminished blood flow, factors that collectively drive the progression of hair loss. So the logical question is, what can we do to address this long-term problem? And it's actually pretty simple. Scalp massages. So just like massaging will relieve a cramped or tense muscle in your arms or your legs, it will have the same effect on the muscles surrounding your scalp. Relief of that tension means reduced inflammation, reversal of the scar tissue, and reduced blood flow impairment, ultimately leading to regrowth of the miniaturized hair follicles. And unlike pharmaceutical treatments, there are no side effects. In addition, with massages, the more you massage, the better the results you can expect. So here's a very simple but powerful routine for massaging your way back to healthy, thriving hair. Begin with a 2 or 3 minute warm-up. This will be a simple massage of the entire scalp, including the back, front, top, sides, and around the forehead. Use your fingers and palms to move the scalp skin across the underlying bone. Then add gentle pinching to stimulate circulation and get the blood flowing in the specific areas that you want. This prepares your scalp for the more focused techniques ahead. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, you can then transition to the pinching stage of the routine. Use your thumb and fingers to pinch the scalp skin, lifting it gently in areas like the sides and nape of the skin, where the skin is more pliable. So this technique works at the surface level, enhancing elasticity and encouraging healthy blood flow. You can alternate between single-handed and double-handed pinches for optimum stimulation. After that, it's time for pressing, which can last another 3 to 5 minutes. Here you can apply firm pressure to your scalp with your palms and fingers or even your knuckles. The goal is to create deep tissue stimulation, targeting those areas most prone to tension buildup. Strong, steady pressure can help release chronic tightness and improve circulation in those problem zones. The final 3 to 5 minutes of this simple routine are stretching. You can stretch the scalp skin using your fingers, pulling it gently in different directions and holding each stretch for about 1 to 2 seconds. You'll be using the thumb on one side and the index or middle fingers to oppose the stretch on the other side. You can do this using one or both hands at a time. This method improves flexibility, reduces rigidity, which is critical for promoting a healthy scalp. So you can use this routine once or even twice daily. Twice will probably get you slightly quicker results. So a couple of things to look out for whilst you massage. Firstly, don't drag your fingers around the scalp whilst massaging. You want to make sure you're massaging rather than unnecessarily raking your skin and pulling out healthy hairs. Secondly, don't be discouraged if you can't reach the minimum treatment times, which we suggest here. You can work your way up as the skin gradually loosens up, allowing you to go for longer and more frequently. Now, the main drawback of manual scalp massages, they're not very user-friendly. They are tiring to the arms and hands, and they can get pretty tedious pretty fast. So this can be a major problem when you consider that on average, you'll need 36 hours of cumulative massage to see results. This is our best estimate from the largest study that surveyed men using manual scalp massages to treat their hair loss. So that is a lot of exertion on your hands and arms, and it's a long-term interruption to your daily routine, as you'll have to put everything else aside and focus on the massages for 10 minutes every day. So an alternative to manual scalp massages is using a dedicated device that will do all the work for you, freeing your hands and your time in the process. The Growband Pro is the world's best scalp massager, and it's fully automated, and there's zero effort required on the part of the user to get those massages done. Every time it inflates and deflates, it massages the entire scalp simultaneously. It was designed by scientists and engineers from the University of Bristol and the University of Birmingham in the UK for the exact purpose of improving hair growth. This gives it a massive efficiency advantage over manual scalp massages, where you can only really focus on one specific part of the scalp at any one time. So in just 10 minutes per day, you can nourish, strengthen, and thicken your hair, and you can halt and reverse that hair loss with the Growband. You'll actually be able to feel a subtle warming sensation in your scalp as the blood starts to flow back to the top parts of the scalp and the hair follicles there, all without the slightest interruption to your daily routine. So head over to hairguard.com to get started with the Growband today. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.